Guys, I just got parts for this amazing machine called the Resizer. It has extra boostification, modular expandification. It can make things oversized, tiny size, or in between size. Let's put it together.
Miga made.
So I've got all the pieces, but I don't know if this came with instructions. I might have to put it together myself. What do you think, Red? Think I can do it? No, he didn't like that. I need those plans. Ooh, the portal post. Wonder what it is. I didn't order anything from Cardboard City though. Whoa, nice. Oh, little package. Thank you. From Aki over at DPR Labs. Let's see what it is. It's a little hollow ball. Let's put it on the big screen. Check it out. All right, it's the blueprints for the Resizer. And check this out. That is the Vibracoil. That's what powers this thing. It has mega sound technology. I'm gonna show you how it works right now. Wow! Imagine if that got into the wrong hands. That would be bad news. Nice. Let's get started. The Vibracoil. Steely, what do you want?
I have taken your precious Vibracoil. Now you can never build your Resizer.
Man, we need that Vibracoil to finish Aki's machine. What are we gonna do? Well, we do have the blueprints handy. I suppose we could make our own Vibracoil. Yeah, we should do that. We can do this. Let's get to it. I need some help. I gotta call Christie. She'll know what to do. 7555. Hi, Christie. Listen, I can't figure out this Vibracoil. Could you come down to the lab and help me out? Okay, I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Yeah, she's real smart. She'll know what to do.
Hey, Evan.
Hey, Christie.
So tell me about this Vibracoil stuff you've been working on.
Well, I have this super awesome Resizer, but the Vibracoil is missing.
Oh no, that's what makes it work because of the mega sound technology. So what have you been working on?
I've been trying to build my own Vibracoil, but I can't seem to get it to work with all these pieces.
I see, okay. Well, I already see the problem here. A lot of these pieces that you're using actually dampen the sound and make it quieter, and you need something that's going to amplify the sound. We want it to echo even louder. You've already got your Springer, which is very helpful, but now we need something that's gonna make it echo, like a plastic cup.
Oh, I have a cup.
Perfect.
I also have a cupcake. Will that work?
No.
Okay, I've got all my supplies. My plastic cup, a small thumbtack, a small screwdriver, and also my middle Springer. The first step is to poke a hole through the cup using the thumbtack. Make sure that the hole is off center. Then I use my small screwdriver to make the hole bigger. Next, I'm going to bend the very top of the metal Springer so that I can snake it through the hole that I've already made in the plastic cup. Once the Springer is through the cup, You can bend it, glue it, or tape it in place.
Okay, Evan, it's done.
You did it, Christy.
Yeah.
I knew you could.
So here we go. Are you ready to hear it?
Let's test it.
Okay. Wow.
That's awesome and so easy with just a cup and a metal springer.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you know what that means, though?
We get to build a Resizer.
Yes!
Let's do it. Well, Christy, we did it.
We did it. It looks awesome.
It does look awesome. And the Vibracoil looks great. So there's only one thing left to do before we send it back to Aki.
Gotta test it.
Gotta test it, but what are we gonna test it on?
I have an idea. Your cupcake.
Yes! Great idea. Okay, charge the Vibracoil.
Okay.
Whoa.
Charging.
Full charge.
Okay.
Set it
Ready.
to oversize. And here we go. Whoa! It worked. Be creative, be kind. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.